A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we are going to learn Surah Al-Baqarah, para number 1, Ruku number 3. So let's start. Ya Yuhannas, O people, O mankind, Ubudu Rabbakum, worship your Lord. Allazi, the one who khalaqakum, created you, wallazina, and those min qablikum, min from qablikum, before you, la'allakum, so that you may tattaqoon, become righteous. Allazi ja'ala lakumul arda firasha, the one who made for you the earth a resting place as a floor, was-samaa binaa, and the sky a canopy, wa-anzala, and sent down minas-samaa'i, from the sky, ma'an, water, fa-akhraja bihi, then brought forth therewith, minas-samarat, from the fruits, rizqan, as provision, as nourishment, lakum, for you, fala taj'alu lillahi andada, so do not set up with Allah andada, rivals, equals, wa antum ta'lamun, while you know, wa in kuntum fi raybin, and if you are in doubt, mimma nazzalna ala abdina, about what we have revealed to our slave, to our servant, fa'atu bi suratim min mislihi, then produce a chapter of it, like wad'u, and call shuhada'akum, your witnesses, your helpers, min dunillah, apart from Allah, other than Allah, in if kuntum sadiqeen, you are truthful. فَإِلَّمْ تَفْعَلُوا, fine, but if lam, not, taf'alu, you do, walan, and never, taf'alu, you do, fattaqu, then fear, annar, the fire, allati, whose, waquduha, fuel, annas, is humankind, wal hijara, and stones, uiddat lil kafirin, prepared for the disbelievers, wabashir, and give good news, allazina, to those who amanu, believe, wa amilu salihat, and do righteous deeds, anna lahum, that for them, jannatin, will be gardens, tajri min tahtihal anhar, tajri, flow, min, from, tahtiha, under them, al anhar, the rivers, kullama, every time, whenever, ruziqu, they are provided, minha, therefrom, min, from, samara, fruit, rizqan, as provision, qalu, they will say, haza, this is, allazi, the one which, ruziqna, we were provided, min qabl, before this, wa utu bihi, and they will be given therefrom, mutashabiha, things in resemblance, walahum, and for them, fiha, therein, azwajum mutahhara, purified spouses, wahum, and they, fiha, therein, khalidun, will abide forever. Inna Allah, indeed Allah, la yastahyi, is not ashamed, to yadriba, set forth, masala, an example, ma ba'uda, like even of a mosquito, fama fawqaha, and even something above it, فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, then as for those who believed, فَيَعْلَمُونَ, they will know, أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ, that it is the truth, مِنْ رَبِّهِمْ, from their Lord. وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا, and as for those who disbelieved, فَيَقُولُونَ, they will say, مَاذَا أَرَادَ اللَّهُ, what did intend Allah, what did means Allah, بِهَذَا, by this, masala, an example, yudillu, he lets go astray, bihi, by it, kasira, many, wayahdi, and he guides, bihi, by it, kasira, many, wama yudillu bihi, wama, and not, yudillu, he lets go astray, bihi, by this example, illa, except, al-fasiqeen, the defiantly disobedient. Allazina, those, yanquduna, break, ahdallah, covenant of Allah, promises of Allah, min ba'di, after, from, misaqihi, its confirmation, its ratification, وَيَقْطَعُونَ, and they cut, ma, what, amar Allah, Allah has ordered, bihi, it, unto, yusala, be joined, وَيُفْسِدُونَ, and they spread corruption, disorder, fil ard, in the land, in the earth, ulaika, it is they, are those, whom they, al-khasirun, are the losers. كَيْفَ تَكْفُرُونَ بِاللَّهِ, how can you disbelieve in Allah? وَكُنْتُمْ أَمْوَاتًا, while you were dead, you were lifeless. فَأَحْيَاكُمْ, then he gave you life. ثُمَّ, then يُمِيتُكُمْ, he will cause you to die. ثُمَّ, then يُحْيِيكُمْ, he will give you life. ثُمَّ, then إِلَيْهِ, to him, تُرْجَعُونَ, you will be returned. وَالَّذِي, he is the one who خَلَقَ, created, لَكُمْ, for you, مَا فِي الْأَرْضِ جَمِيعًا, what is in the earth, all. ثُمَّ, moreover, then إِسْتَوَى, he turned, إِلَى السَّمَاءِ, to the heaven. فَسَوَّاهُنَّ, and fashioned, perfect them, sab'a, 7 samawat, in heavens, wahuwa, and he is, bikulli shay'in alim, of everything, alim is all knowing. Sadaqallahu Mawlana al-Azim.